안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hey everybody. Here we are we're going to learn about direction, and direction is called 방향 in Korean. Okay. So let us begin. First of all, front. Front is up. Up. Up is front. Okay. And the next one is in front of. 앞에. 앞에. In front of me. 내 앞에. 내 is me. So in front of you, 너 앞에. 너. Okay. We're gonna learn all that, and we'll repeat, of course. In front of us, 우리 is we, so in front of we or us, so in front of us, 우리 앞에. Okay, so 앞에, so that was up, 앞에, and we did front. Now let's do back, 뒤, 뒤, and 뒤에. Okay, so 선생님 뒤에. 선생님 뒤에 means behind the teacher, or 너 뒤에, behind you. Okay, all right. And next, side is 옆, 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 and beside or next to, 옆에. Okay, so let's say 경찰관 옆에. It means next to the police officer, beside the police officer. 경찰관 옆에, 소방관 옆에, beside the firefighter. Okay? Or next to 아빠, next to 할아버지. So that's next to grandfather, next to father. 아빠 옆에, 할아버지 옆에. And so on. Okay. Next one. 위. 위 is up. Okay. 위에 is on something. So let's say 학교 위에, that means on top, on the school, something like that. Above the school, on, yeah, something that's above, on. Okay, on or above. Okay, next one, under or down, that's 아래. Okay, 아래. Left is 왼쪽, 왼쪽, 왼쪽. And right is 오른쪽, 오른쪽. So 왼쪽, 오른쪽, 왼쪽, 오른쪽. Okay, let us review the direction. So we did up, 앞에, 뒤, 뒤에, 옆, 옆에, 위, 위에, 아래, 왼쪽, and 오른쪽. Okay, very good. Next up, let's learn direction. And direction in Korean is 방향, 방향. Okay, 방향. Location, 위치, 위치 is location. 위치. Say 위치가 어디야? 위치가 어디예요? means where is that location? 위치가 어디예요? 그 카페, 그 카페 위치가 어디예요? 그 카페 위치가 어디예요? Where is that location of the cafe? Yeah, that's what it is. 학교 위치가 어디예요? Where is the location in school of school? That school? Okay. All right. Next one. Place. 장소. Place. 장소. Okay. 장소. Okay, so next we'll learn some phrase to go straight ahead. 직진하다. 직진. 직진 means straight. So to go straight ahead. 직진하다. Where is the cafe? Oh, 직진해, 직진하세요. Or 직진해, the informal way. Formal way, 직진하세요. 직진하세요. So it means go straight ahead. You'll find a cafe. Okay. Next one. To turn. 돌다. 돌다. Well, another expression is not direction, but let's say, oh, my head is spinning. So, which means my head is turning. So, like something's driving me crazy. Oh, my head is spinning, like crazy. Then we use the expression, oh, 머리가 돌다. My head is spinning. 돌다. But for now, this is for the direction purposes. So, 돌다, to turn. Okay. Next one. 돌아가다. 돌아가다, to go back, to return. Okay? So 직진하다가 돌아가. That means go straight and come back. Okay, next one. Oh, east is 동쪽. 동쪽 means east. And since east now should be west, yes. West is 서쪽. 서쪽. 서쪽 is west. Okay, next one. South, 남쪽. 남쪽 means south. And lastly, north, 북쪽. 북쪽. In the short in the short terms of saying, we just call it 동서남북. That's east, west, south, and north. 동서남북. Right. Okay. Okay. Next one. To be near. To be near. 가깝다. 가깝다. Okay, that means to be near. All right. 가깝다. Next one. To be far. 멀다. 멀다. So if I ask you, is a cafe, how far is a cafe? 카페가 얼마나 멀어요? Then you could answer, 멀다. Oh, it's far. Or 멀어 is far. Same method of saying. I mean, different method of saying far. It's far. 멀다. Okay. Let's review. 방향, direction. 위치, location. 장소, place. 직진하다, to go straight ahead. 돌다, to turn. 돌아가다, to go back, to return. 동쪽, east. 서쪽, west. 남쪽, the south. And 북쪽, north. 가깝다, to be near. 멀다, to be far. Near, far. Okay. Well done.